welcome back to my channel, Feral Field Notes. Yes, it's still the same channel, just a different name. Anyway, welcome to Shell Island. Yes, I've come back and I thought I would show you around our camp setup. We like to camp way out on the outskirts of Shell Island, so away from all the noise and the facilities and out in the wilds. So I thought I'd show you how we managed to stay away from all the facilities, and that is our setup over here in the tree line. Okay, so as promised, I'm going to take you around and show you our little setup that we used to keep us camping. So I'm not going to show you the awning that's attached to the the tent that's attached to the awning, because I already have 2 videos showing you them, so you're more than welcome to check those out. I will probably put the links in the description for you if you want to look at that. So here you can see there's absolute chaos. We have some little like plastic tubs for keeping all the stuff in. We have a lot of canvas bags for our organisation, kitchen stuff. I don't have a electronic or a plug-in chiller, freezer, fridge, whatever you call them. I have an ambient sort of, you put the ice blocks inside and it keeps it cool, which is pretty good actually. It's not bad. It's like a well-known rip-off brand. Yes, I shouldn't really say the brand, should I? But it's like a well-known expensive brand of cool box, but it's a different version of it anyway, and like much cheaper. Anyway, enough of that. So little table there as well, packs away down, rolls up, and that drops down, so it's nice and small. We've had this kadak for quite a while now, quite a few years since we've been camping. Collapsible kettle. In the back, got a jackery. That's what we bring with us to charge everything we need, like your mobile, cameras, drones if you've got them. Also, I plug in the projector into that, which powers that fine. Plenty of space in the back, really, for bringing all the stuff for all the boys as well as us. That's for the awning, window covers, electronics in there. And then this side we've got my newest addition, which is the Boxio toilet. It's a separator, so it separates your wee from your poos. So that is very new, so I don't have any opinion on that yet, other than I'm glad I've got one, but we'll see how it works out. So that's pretty cool. And then this is what we sleep in. It's a Decathlon MH500 roof tent. Why did I go for a Decathlon roof tent and not one of the other well-known brands? Well, the reason being is the weird colour that you can see, the white and the greens. This white part, they don't use any dyes, which is really good for the environment. I'm quite passionate about protecting the environment and the wildlife. So I always look for brands which are passionate about the environment too, and Decathlon are quite good with stuff like that. So they have quite a good track record, let's say, with helping to protect the environment. And that's pretty much the only reason why I bought the Quencher one in the first place. Otherwise it was a toss-up of the other UK brands that are out there at the moment. But I think we've had this maybe 2 years and it's still waterproof. It still keeps us dry. It's warmish. It's a tent, canvas. Underneath's a little bit battered. I don't know if you can see that there, where the ladders scrape across it, but apart from that it's all right. Comes with this, so you can hang stuff on it. Obviously, if you're not familiar with them, it's a pea cloth instead of using toilet paper for having a wee. Obviously it comes with ladders as well, so you can get up there. Let me just do my shoelaces so I can take my shoes off when we get up there. So let's climb up we go. Got a boot bag. Comes with one of those that you can fit 2 pairs in. It's not the easiest thing to do, one-handed. Put them in there. That one's gonna fall. There we go. Yeah, waterproof boot bag. Let's bring it. So I don't know how much you can see of this, but plenty of windows. Windows on each side. They have the, I think it's called like a no-seam or something, bug mesh, so little critters can't get in and bite you. Very breezy. Got a nice big one at the back or at the front. Another one on the side, and that one there as well, which opens up fully. These pull up. These covers pull up and they can zip up, but you've always got this gap. Always a gap here. That's to help vent and let the air flow. So obviously these kinds of tents are really bad for condensation. It's just the nature of the beast. Condensation builds up in all of them. But it does help if you vent it. So we opened this top one here, which still is waterproof, and it's got the bug net. But that helped obviously with ventilation last night as well. This front can zip open altogether if you wanted it to. We normally, well, unless it's really sunny and there's no bugs about, I don't normally open that up. I normally keep that closed. If you can see, inside is completely silver. It's a silver colour, so you feel like you're in a spaceship, maybe an alien spaceship. But it doesn't bother you at night time, because at night time you're asleep, aren't you? So you don't really notice the silverness. But still going strong. Still plenty of life left in it, and you can buy the whole inners if you need to replace it, because obviously they don't last forever. Mattress wise, well, it came with a very basic mattress, and it's very firm. You might not be able to see that in here. So I bought some memory foam and put like a topper on it, and then like a bed sheet to cover that. It's like a thin quilt with a down blanket to go on top. And we were pretty warm last night. It went down to 7 degrees here, and I wasn't cold whatsoever up here. I don't have the winter liner, but I do plan on buying it, because I think that might help us to extend the camping. I don't have any lights fitted either up here. I've got a head torch, and there's this lamp here, rechargeable lamp, that I've got up in the corner for now. I don't know if I can be bothered to fit lights inside, but as you can see, yeah, you've got 4 pockets each side, little pockets to put your mobile in, your water, headphones, whatever really. It's pretty good really. I've been happy with it. I think it's about 2 years old. It could be a bit longer than that now, I'm not really sure. But as roof tents go, you know, it's pretty good. I'll bring you back in a moment. I'm going to put my shoes on and get back downstairs, and we'll carry on talking in a second. Catch you in a minute. This is like this is like, we had to get like specialist bars, but it's a fixed point, so as long as the bars fit to the fixed point, then it's fine. So ours is clamped on like this through the fixed point on the actual vehicle, and it's just clamped on with the bolts there. But this is not going anywhere. They are super sturdy. There we go. But yeah, that is the only caveat with roof tents. Make sure your vehicle is actually suitable, and don't just go off what the roof tent company's telling you. Go on Google or the internet, whatever you use, and search on roof bar manufacturers, and they will tell you. But anyway, that's my little ramble over about roof bars. Just make sure your vehicle's suitable for them. But what else have we got? So the other camp thing that we bring with us is our BioLite fire, the little fire pit. You can charge stuff off the side once it's got going. We'll get that going again tonight. We managed to get it going last night. We had a bit of damp wood, so it took ages to get going last night, but ooh, and for the dogs, this. So it's like a climber's rope that you can attach around trees. You can see, and you can loop your dog onto it, and you can run up and down. And this is not going anywhere. It's quite long. Can't remember how long it is exactly. Obviously we've got some more rope there to play with, but it's been brilliant. We've got both dogs on that as well. Normally they're attached on two separate carabiners, and that means they can wander around camp freely, because we're on a site where dogs are meant to be on leads at all times. It doesn't always happen, but hey ho, that's people for you. So yeah, I think that's it for now. And this is the camp setup that we've got at the moment. It's a bit chaotic, lots of stuff for 2 people and 2 dogs, but gotta have your luxuries, haven't you? Yeah. Chairs, a little table. Oh, that. Rescued that out of a bin. Still in good working order, so that's coming home with me. Go in the garden, that will. Well, that's it, I think, from me to you. I will see you again soon, hopefully, and I hope you like this little camp setup video that I've made. Hopefully you find it interesting, and we will see you again soon. Take care. Goodbye from Shell Island. Enjoy. Bye.